Hi, Erin Swady, Lilla Rose Stylists here. And today we are going to show you how you can make your own samples of our Lilla Rose Rosewater. All right, let's get started. So first thing that you need is our Rosewater from our website. And I will post all the links at the bottom when I'm done here, so you can access everything that you see today. You also need some 2 milliliter spray bottles. You can go up to size 5 milliliters, just depends on your preferences. You need pipettes. This one's a glass pipette and it does have the markings on it. I have up to 1 milliliter on that. But you can get whatever you need there. I use Avery labels. So what you see here is that I've made them so that there's 2 on each label, and then I will cut them and post them on there. And then you also need, this is just cardstock, but you can also use the Avery, I think 8871 business cards. I use that business card template to make this, save it as a PDF, and then print it myself and cut it out. But you can use the business cards, that would work just as well. I just think that cardstock's a little cheaper. And let's see, you need scissors or your trusty, trusty paper cutter. Especially if you're using the cardstock, you're gonna want that. And then a paper towel or a piece of paper, something that you can work, something surface you can work on. Okay. So let's get started. So we're gonna take our Rosewater, we're gonna open it up. Take our bottles here. So it comes in 2 pieces and these snap on. So it's real easy. Take this, squeeze in there. I usually do about 1.5 to 2 milliliters. You don't wanna fill it completely, because you have to be able to get that top on without it exploding everywhere. So you see about like that. Then we're gonna put the cap on till it pops. And there you go. So now you've got your spray bottle, but it doesn't have your information on it. So you want your information on it so that the ladies who are sampling this know where they can get more. So what I do is, like I said, I've printed these off here. It's got it just says Lilla Rose Rosewater sample, has my name, and it also says order online on my website. So I just pull one of those off here. And then I just stick that right on here. And I put this on because, you know, that other paper, I feel like they could potentially throw that away. But this is gonna keep with them the whole time that they're using the sample. Okay, now here I've cut out my cardstock. I've got, this goes on the right side, and then I have some writing on the left. So just kind of some information about it and how to use it, and also my information again. So the best way to get this on is to go ahead and fold it in half, and then kind of like right on the white part of this here. Where'd my stapler go? Here it goes. I staple it right down. So now it's just like that. And you can see there's a little hole there. And from the bottom, I just slide it right up in there, just like that. And there is your Lilla Rose sample. I usually will fill several up at a time, then do stickers and then staples and all that stuff. But there you go. If you are interested in buying our Lilla Rosewater and you're not a stylist, you can do that on my website. I will link that below in the comments. As well as if you're interested in selling Lilla Rose, I will link down there the information you can do, and you can also message me and I will put that all in the bottom for you. All right, it was good talking with you and I hope this helps y'all. All right.